Hi there. Do you enjoy winter?
Yes, I absolutely love winter. How about you?
I do too. What's your favorite thing about winter?
I love the cozy evenings by the fireplace. What about you?
I enjoy the snow and the crisp, cold air. Do you have a favorite winter activity?
I really enjoy ice skating. Have you tried it?
Yes, I have. It's great fun. Do you prefer winter over summer?
Definitely. There's something magical about winter. How do you stay warm during winter?
I usually wear layers and drink plenty of hot chocolate. What's your favorite winter drink?
I love mulled wine. Do you like winter sports?
Yes, skiing is my favorite. Have you ever been skiing?
Yes, I went skiing last year. Do you enjoy winter holidays?
Absolutely. They're the best. What's your ideal winter holiday destination?
Somewhere with lots of snow, like the Alps. Do you like winter fashion?
Yes, I love wearing warm coats and scarves. What's your go-to winter outfit?
A thick jumper, jeans, and boots. Do you enjoy winter festivals?
Yes, I find them very festive and fun. Have you ever been to a Christmas market?
Yes, they are lovely. Do you enjoy decorating your home for winter?
Definitely. It's one of my favorite parts of the season. What's your favorite winter decoration?
I love fairy lights. Do you enjoy winter foods?
Yes, especially hearty stews and soups. What's your favorite winter dish?
A good roast dinner. Do you ever get tired of winter?
Not really. I always look forward to it. What about you?
Same here. It's a wonderful season.